Hello, y'all. I just wanted to show you real fast what happens when you do good SEO on your social media as well as your website, how easy it is to rank with Google. So here I have a term, carpet cleaning Jacksonville. I go ahead and search it, and you can see here all of the people ranking for that particular keyword. Uh, but if I just go ahead and change just slightly, now I reloaded it, uh, just so you can see how fast I was able to do this. And here we are, carpet cleaning, same keyword. You see carpet cleaning Jacksonville right here. See, that's our agency phone number. So that's not an actual carpet cleaning company. You can go ahead and see that this is ranked pretty fast um, as a video on YouTube. So if I go ahead and just actually do the keyword emergency, which is my main emergency, my main term that was SEO on my websites, you can see that we're right here, number one. And you can go ahead and call that phone number. That's us. You get a hold of me or my brother. But you see that we're at the very top. And what's interesting about this is when you run that same search on Google here, you can see that you have that video right there. So let's go ahead and run it again and see what happens. I have a bunch of videos. And here you have our YouTube channel again. See, so you're ranked there. You can see that I uploaded this just 3 days ago. And this what's powerful about this strategy that we do 3 days ago, and we're already ranking on Google. Not just a few seconds ago before I got on here, I changed the phone number to be added here, but pretty soon it's going to be showing a phone number right beside here where YouTube is. It's just it takes a little while. You can see it right there, but it takes a little while to rank. To read up again YouTube. So let me see if I can reload it. See if it's going to show up that number. No, it's not, but you can see that already on YouTube. It's showing our phone number. So anyway, if you want us to do the same thing for you and uh, do the same thing in your city, give us